Are you ready to unlock the secrets to rapid, high-quality software delivery? Welcome to Mastering DevOps and ALM, presented by your very own NonTechieGuide. The modern digital world demands speed and efficiency, but breaking down traditional barriers can be tough. In this exclusive course, we take you on a visual journey straight into the DevOps revolution. Stop working in silos and start collaborating. From understanding core SDLC blueprints to activating powerful CI/CD automation engines, we've broken it all down. You'll master essential ALM disciplines, optimize your workflow using Lean and Scrum principles, and even learn to command an agile release train at enterprise scale. Stop building blind. Stop falling behind. Learn to develop smarter, faster, and together. Watch the entire course now and revolutionize your development process. It's your blueprint for success. Watch it all and get ready to survive and thrive. Welcome to the software development lifecycle, your ultimate blueprint for building quality software. Think of it like constructing a skyscraper. First, we gather exactly what the customer needs in requirement analysis. Then, we map out our blueprint in planning and design. Next, our builders get to work in the development phase. But before anyone moves in, we rigorously test everything to ensure it won't break during QA. Once it is solid, we launch it to the world in deployment. Finally, we keep things running smoothly with ongoing maintenance. Following these 6 steps ensures your software is built to last. We begin with the old guard waterfall, where progress flows downward in strict, sequential phases. Next, the V model bends the process to integrate quality assurance directly into the design phase. To speed things up, extreme programming and iterative methods shift the focus to building small, manageable chunks that allow for constant user feedback. Finally, modern approaches like rapid application development and Agile prioritize pure velocity, human collaboration, and adapting to change on the fly. Think of it like property development. While the SDLC software development lifecycle is just the construction phase, the actual building of the house, ALM represents the property's entire lifespan. This massive umbrella covers the ground-level SDLC, but adds continuous planning, decades of maintenance, and eventual retirement. In the past, teams worked in isolated silos, causing friction. Modern ALM uses centralized command centers like GitHub or Azure DevOps to integrate managers, analysts, developers, testers, and operations staff. By tracking requests, automating tests, and monitoring the application in the wild, ALM ensures organizational strategy, security, and health from inception to retirement, even for low-code applications. Developers and operations used to live in separate worlds, one pushing features, the other fighting for stability. That tension created the famous wall of confusion. The DevOps revolution tears that wall down with a new mindset. You build it, you run it. Everyone works together, sharing responsibility and delivering value continuously. This shift is powered by 2 automation engines. Continuous integration checks every change like a robotic inspector, and continuous deployment automatically ships updates to users multiple times a day. To stay safe, teams use smart release strategies like blue-green and canary releases. And the real accelerator? Moving from giant monoliths to modern microservices, independent components that prevent one failure from taking down the whole system and unlock blazing innovation. How do modern software teams achieve incredible speed and efficiency? By borrowing powerful manufacturing philosophies. It starts with Lean, aggressively removing waste to shrink the timeline from customer order to delivery. A tactical heartbeat is Scrum, where specialized teams complete short, intense bursts called sprints, maintaining a consistent rhythm. But to manage enterprises with thousands of developers, standard Agile breaks down. That's why we scale up using the Scaled Agile framework, aligning hundreds of Scrum teams onto an Agile release train. These passenger teams depart on strict schedules, delivering massive solutions predictably, continuously, and with high quality. This journey of relentless optimization ensures organizations not only survive, but thrive in our demanding digital world. We began by mastering the foundations of the 6-phase SDLC blueprint, understanding how systematic development builds quality. Then we explored different methodologies, shifting from strict waterfall blueprints to fast, flexible, agile mindsets. We expanded our vision to ALM, application lifecycle management, the entire lifespan puzzle that required us to break down isolated silos. We embraced the DevOps revolution, merging development and operations teams with a "you build it, you run it" mantra. We activated powerful CI/CD automation engines and utilized smart deployment strategies to minimize risk. Finally, we learned to scale this success across giant enterprises using lean principles, Scrum rhythms, and the scaled Agile framework's release trains. This relentless optimization ensured that we could all survive and thrive.